Hello everyone, how are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, amazing, outstanding different denim handbags designs. Denim is one of the most durable fabrics and that's why it's perfect for making long lasting handbags. And recycling denim is not only trendy but also helps reduce waste and protect the environment. You can create simple tote bags using old jeans with minimal cutting and stitching. So friends, adding pockets from jeans can make your handbag both stylish and functional. A crossbody denim bag is perfect for daily use and gives a casual layered chic look. It's a very classy and outstanding designs. You can decorate your denim bags with embroidery for a unique handmade touch and for a unique handmade lace, pearls, beads and try to lace or printed fabric patches to create contrast and beauty and granny square embroidery crochet. Touch it, it's a very beautiful look. This one is a very classy look and using colorful threads can make your bag stand out even more. Old denim can be combined with leather pieces for a more premium designs and always make sure to clean and iron your denim before starting any project. And if you are a beginner, start with simple designs like pouches or mini bags. Recycling denim is a great way to save money while creating something valuable. You can also sell your handmade denim bags and earn icon from your creativity. Always use a strong stitching so your bag can carry weight easily. Adding zippers or buttons will increase the usability of your bag and you can use belt loops from jeans as unique handle holders. So friends, mixing different shades of denim creates a modern patchwork designs. All designs is very creative and try to making backspace from denim for a trendy and youthful style. All ideas is very creative and very useful, most demanding in different denim handbags ideas. So keep your designs neat and clean for a professional finish. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas and style. And denim bags are perfect for casual outings, shopping, or even college use. Adding beads or pearls can give your bag a fancy look and classy look and very beautiful look. Always measure properly before cutting to avoid mistakes. Recycling teaches the value of reusing and being responsible, and handmade items always have a special charm and emotional value. Encourage your friends and family to try recycling projects too and practice regularly to improve your designing and stitching skills. Most beautiful, latest, different, outstanding denim handbags ideas in this video. It's a very beautiful, outstanding, and denim handbags are perfect for travel because they are strong. They are a good choice for students because they are practical. These bags are also a great gifted idea for friends and family. You can customize denim bags with your name of designs because it's a very reliable. They stay in fashion every year and never look old. It's a very classy look, very beautiful look, and very trending fashion denim bags. And do let me know which ideas you would like to see in the next video. Many brands now promote denim bags as a sustainable fashion items. So you can see it's a very amazing, latest, dashing, outstanding denim handbags. These bags are simple but very elegant and they can be used in all seasons without any problem. Denim handbags show your smart and stylish personality. Choosing a denim handbag is a good mix of fashion and usefulness. All ideas is very creative and very useful. So denim handbags are not just bags. They are a smart fashion choice. They are strong, stylish and eco-friendly. If you want something simple, beautiful and long-lasting, denim handbags are the best option for you. Denim handbags are very strong and durable. They don't tear easily and can be used for a long time. These bags have a casual and cool look. They match easily with everyday outfits. So friends, denim fabric is thick, so it protects your item inside the bag. These handbags are valuable, available and many designs like plain, printed and embroidered. So denim bags have beautiful patches and pearls which make them more attractive. Denim handbags are eco-friendly, especially when made from old jeans. Recycling old denim into bags is a smart and creative idea. These bags are lightweight and easy to carry anywhere, and you can use denim handbags for shopping, college, or daily use. Many designs come with strong handles and zipper for safety. And denim handbags are easy to clean, you can wash them at home. They are perfect for both girls and women of all ages. Some bags have multiple pockets to keep things organized, and denim bags give a trendy and modern look. They are budget friendly and not too expensive, and you can find handmade denim handbags which look unique. These bags can be styled with both Eastern and Western dresses. Dark blue and light blue denim colors are very popular and very trendy and very amazing. Some designs include hand painting, which looks very artistic, and denim handbags are perfect for travel because they are strong. They are a good choice for students because they are practical, and these bags are also a great gift idea for friends and family. All ideas is very beautiful, very useful and very demanding. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. Thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for support my channel. It's a very beautiful, amazing, outstanding denim handbags ideas. It's a very beautiful, gorgeous and very creative design for beginners. Hope you like all ideas and collection. Most beautiful, latest, amazing, creative, trending denim handbags ideas. You can watch this video. Keep watching, keep supporting, keep promoting my channel because we need your support. And do let me know which ideas, which handbags and which dresses ideas and which designer collection ideas you can watch this video. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share my videos. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care and Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much.